Hi guys, and welcome to another video by the Rock U School of Music. Today we are talking about a Zeppelin tune, another 1-4-5. We talked about a lot of 12-bar blues over the last couple months. This is another 12-bar blues in the key of A. So the song is called The Girl I Love. She got long, black, wavy hair. It's from the BBC sessions. Let's play through it once, okay? So it's... So we have some pentatonic kind of work going on. So the first note's an A, kind of using these position 1 pentatonics. So we have an octave here, 7, 5, 7, 5 on the 4, 7 on the 5, to set 5, 7 on the 4 string. Then we move down to the lower extension on the 6th string. That's 5, 5, 3, 0, 3, 5. We're going to do that twice. So the 4 chord in the key of A is a D, so we're going to a D minor pentatonic right here, starting on the 5th string, okay? So everything's on the same fret, we're just 1 string moved up, so it's octave on the D, 5 on the 5th string to 7 on the 3rd string. So it's 7, 5, 5, 7, 5, 7. Now lower extension here again on the 5th string. 5, 5, 3, 0, 3, 5. Back to your 1 chord. Now for the 5 chord, instead of just a regular E7, we're going to go to an E7 sharp 9, the good old Jimi Hendrix chord. 4 chord D. Now they go down to a flatted 3rd. They go down to a C too. So D, C, back to the 1. Now, something to look out for if you guys aren't used to playing kind of wraparound figures like 12-bar blues is that the first time the 1 chord happens, it happens twice. Now, when you repeat it, since the 1 chord is the last chord and the first chord, each successive time the 1 chord gets played 3 times instead of 2 times, okay? 12-bar blues figures are super important. They're super foundational to blues and rock, okay? Yeah, man. So I hope you guys have found this video tutorial helpful. If you'd like to see songs that you suggest, leave them in the comments below. Please subscribe as it really helps the channel. Leave a like. Thank you so much.